Step into the Kia 2018 Sportage LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 181 horsepower, 2.4-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and center console, full with covered storage. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.